In this video, you will learn the difference between aggressive and ingressive sounds. Sounds are produced with the help of air. For most of the sounds, air comes from lungs. Lungs push out air which passing through the vocal tract produces sounds. The sounds produced in this way are called aggressive sounds, ingressive sounds. In some languages, certain sounds are produced by sucking air through mouth. Sounds produced in this way are called ingressive sounds. For example, the sound of disgust in English is produced with ingressive airstream.